Welcome back to this tutorial. So I've turned everything including the front and the back. I'm marking out the zipper allowance. So this is how I shape my clothes from the back. Measure out the half length, then put the half length round measurement. So and the hip measurement over here. I shape with the back of my clothes. I don't like shaping with the front. And whenever I do that, it's always perfect. So this is the front. I've placed the back on top of the front, then shape it. So over here I'm done with the shaping, and this is the clothes. I went ahead to fix the zipper. So this is how to attach the off shoulder sleeve. Leave half inch and measure the front panel, giving another half inch space for joining of the sleeve, and do the same thing at the back. Still leave half inch, then measure from that half inch and stop here, leaving another half inch that you will use for joining of the sleeve. And so you calculate it, then minus your round shoulder from what you got. So, and whatever thing it gave to you, that's what you will use. Divide it into 2 and add half inch to it. So what next you have to do is to place your armhole, the one you have, on that sleeve. Then put half inch there and connect it to your main round sleeve. That's all. I went ahead to attach the ruffles on the sleeve that I've cut out. So this is how I cut the ruffles. I folded my material into 4. Then I measured 2 inches all around. Okay, this one is the length. First of all, measure the length. The length of the ruffles that you want. Then the radius that I use is 2 inches all around. So I cut it out. So that was how I cut all the ruffles that you saw on that blouse. So that is it. So this is it. I placed it step by step. I didn't allow the ruffles to get to the shaping allowance. I gave some space for shaping before placing it. And note, I didn't open the ruffles. I placed it that way. I didn't open it. So I'm folding the down part of the sleeve. So this is me folding the down part of the sleeve. So this is the down part of the lace that I used. I cut it out just to use it and design the sleeve. I want the design to appear at the upper part of this sleeve. So see the way I placed it. Note, I removed 2 inches from the main sleeve pattern, then placed it on this lace to cut it out. So this is it. I have to shape it. Remember, I said that the ruffles didn't come out to my shaping allowance. So have you seen it? The ruffles didn't come out. Don't forget to place your round sleeve measurement at the down part of the sleeve. So first of all, I pinned the sleeve with half inch allowance to get the round shoulder measurement first before attaching it to the clothes. I'm just pinning it. I'm not sewing it direct. So after pinning it, I used tape to measure the round shoulder, just to be sure that it's accurate with the round shoulder that I'm working with before sewing it. And this is the blouse. See the inner part of the blouse, so neat. And see the cupping. So thank you.